Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today my topic is evolution of pharmacy. Evolution is nothing but growth of pharmacy. Before going to topic, I will explain some major points of ancient history. Man observing animal kingdom. That means the early man is observing the animals, how they depend on the nature. In that, asked food from the nature and nature gave the food back. Asked for cloth and nature gave the cloth. Asked for energy and the nature given energy in the form of fire. And asked medicine from nature and nature gave the medicine. And the pharmacy is as old as human civilization. That means human civilization is developed along with the pharmacy. It has long history. That means the fossils from the plants which are having a medicinal properties. That means the earlier man is used the plant-based medicines around 50,000 BC. And the first prescription which is proved is now at British Museum, and the dates back to the 3700 BC. And earliest record of preparation of the drugs comes from the Babylonia circa 2600 BC. That nothing but the circa here. Circa means the dates which are not having a specific, but they are assumed. And the pharmacy is recognized as a part of medicinal practice during Sumerian times around 2000 to 1500 BC. Going to topic, the evolution of pharmacy can be explained in 4 different eras. In these eras means nothing but the period or the span of time or generation or a stage. Okay, the 4 different eras are ancient era, the beginning of time to AD 1600, and the empiric era which is from 1600 to 1940, and the industrialization era which is from 1940 to 1970, and the patient care era which is from 1970 to the present, and biotechnology and genetic engineering era which is the new origin, and we are seeing the how the growth in this era. Now I explain ancient era. Going to ancient era, in this era the people were used mud, leaves and cool water to stop the bleeding and for the healing of the wounds. And also they at the time they used it as a dry clay to splint the broken bones, and they used all these methods by observing the animals how they heal their wounds. And first written record of the documented evidences of healing wounds onto the clay tablets. That means by using a clay tablets for the healing of the drugs, it is the first written record in the documented as a documented evidences experiences. And in Babylonia, early record of practice of pharmacy is by priest, pharmacist and physician. This is during when the science of drug and the organization of the pharmacy and the medicines had its beginning. And the Chinese used the herbs as a medicines during the Asian period. And some important people of ancient era are Hippocrates. Hippocrates is the father of the medicine, and he is famous for his Hippocrates oath still taking today. And Theophrastus, who is the father of botany, who studied the adverse effects of plants. And the Paracelsus, Swiss-born physician who believes the chemical treatment is rather than the botanical treatment. And Mithridates, father of toxicology, studied adverse effects of the plants. And Dioscorides, father of pharmacology, who is the scientist during the Roman period. And Cosmas and the Damian, saints of pharmacy and medicine. They are considered as the twins of pharmacy and medicine, who is having a close lots of pharmacy and medicinal. They are the doctors also. They proved the doctors also find medicine to the treatment of the patient. Once after the fall of Roman Empire, the division of pharmacy and the medicines evolved, and this lead to the three major advantages in pharmacy occurred at the time, and they are the formulary, the specific drug information to be used by the pharmacist, and the dosage form. Drugs were no longer harvested from the herbs. They were incorporated into a sweetened dosage form. That is nothing but syrup, confection syrups, which is mix of sugar and honey. And the pharmacy shops, nothing but medical shops, first appeared in Baghdad in about AD 762. And in between the AD 1231 and 1240, the Holy Roman Empire named Frederick II issued some official orders of regulating medicines, which lead to the legally recognize the pharmacy as a separate profession in Western Europe. And during rebirth period of Middle Ages, the pharmacy became an independent profession and socially accepted by all the people. And university education of pharmacists were required during that. And new chemical medicine were introduced that given the pharmacist broader skills. This is up to the ancient era of the evolution of pharmacy, and this is the ancient era history. And after university educations are required, this all remaining topic is explained in my next video. Please do watch my next video, friends. Thank you. And if you like my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you, friends.